Buenos tardes. Good afternoon,
Buenas tardes,
everyone.
buenos días, buenas noches.
All of them. So guys, we finally made it to our destination. We arrived last night and we were so tired. So we are taking it easy today. We just woke up and today we're gonna go outside and try to roam around the city, right?
Stroll around the city.
Stroll around and walk around the city and get the vibe of the city. A doctor.
My have a lecture.
Yeah.
Indonesia Medan.
Exploring
It's the capital
Medan.
of Sumatra, right? The island of Sumatra.
Sutara.
Sutara.
Sumatra.
Oh.
So guys, we are heading first before starting walking around the city. We're gonna go to the immigration office to extend our visas, and then after we're gonna have a lot of time. So
Take
cash.
Take cash.
Yes.
And bill tonight.
in the immigration office, I have to put this.
Yes,
Indonesia, yeah.
because it's a government office.
It's the thing that is for women. We came to extend our visas because we pay for 30 days and we wanted to pay for another 30 days, so we're gonna have 60 days here, but we cannot do it because we just arrived yesterday and you have to stay in the country for
14 days.
yeah, for like
14 days.
Yeah.
After 14 days, you can extend. However, to extend, you need to have your booking reservation, and also aside from the booking reservation, you need to buy the return ticket to your country or another country that you're visiting. So basically, you can extend just 30 days more. So
Yeah.
in total, you can stay just 60 days maximum, basically.
Then you have to go out of
But it's super easy to just bring the passport, they stamp it, you pay 500,000 per person.
Yeah. So guys, now we are hungry. We didn't eat anything yet, so we're gonna try to have some food.
Yes.
You
And
got
we're at
some-
Coffee Box, a
You know-
restaurant here in Medan.
Yeah, got coffee box. So yeah. So guys, we're gonna try to find something here. This is a restaurant. So guys, we decided to choose the restaurant because they don't have vegetarian. Since Vero is a hardcore vegetarian, so we needed to change. There's another one here, so we're gonna check if they have something. Yeah, we are not familiar with the plates yet, so we're trying to figure out what to eat, what we should choose.
You guys are what? No familiar.
We're not familiar with the plates, Indonesian plates yet, so we're trying to figure out what to choose, which plate that we need to order. I don't know, we'll go with this one.
You wanna try that one?
Yeah, maybe this one. This one. That's your first drink in Indonesia.
Don't go.
Don't go.
Don't go.
Speak English. Jangan pergi Indonesia.
Okay guys, we just had some food and now we're gonna try to
we're full.
explore, right? What's that?
Seribu.
Sharifu.
Ya, 1.000 satu.
Ah, I put chocolate on it.
10? 5.000?
Oh. How much?
Baru.
Huh?
Baru.
How much is baro?
Ya, masih baru. Hangat.
Huh?
Hangat. Masih hangat.
Oh, okay.
Oh, thank you.
Oh. Alright guys, so we went to this market and it turned out like a lot of products are cheap, so...
Maho Bersama.
Oho Bersama supermarket, that's the name. So we find some products are really cheap compared
Really
to...
affordable compared to
Yeah.
other countries like Morocco, Turkey, like
India, Malaysia, Nepal.
Malaysia,
It's really cheap.
Venezuela, US. So.
Probably the entire world, more cheap than... So yeah, it was really cheap, so we decided to buy some stuff that we need, some items that we need, so yeah. Welcome to Medan! We're here walking in the street and taking some videos, trying to cross here. 1, 2, no, still. Ah, those are the flags.
Yeah, Please, everything has to be with that.
What is that? What do you want to say about that?
This is Indonesians. That's how they dress.
Indonesian culture.
Well, guys, this is the Istana Maimun. Is a palace from the Sultanate of Delhi. Nowadays, is a very important landmark for Medan. It's a landmark that have become a museum. It's a beautiful place to visit while you are staying in Medan. Yes. Look, Bika, Bika. Look.
Hello.
We love Indonesia.
What's your name? What's her name? What's her name?
Bika, right? Bika?
Bika.
You're so cute.
She like the camera.
You're leaving. Bye bye. Bye Bika. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a good night. Thank you. Terima kasih.
So cute. Alright guys, we are done with the palace right now.
Istana Maimun, the palace of the Sultanate of Delhi. So
Alright.
now we're going to the Grand Mosque of Medan.
We're gonna visit a big mosque just around here, so see you guys when we get there. We made it to Grand Mosque. It's a famous mosque here in Medan. Yeah. Unfortunately guys, I'm wearing a shirt, so we cannot enter. I cannot enter.
I'm not covering my hair.
Her hair also, so they're a little bit strict here. So maybe tomorrow or next time. But yeah, this is the mosque. It's beautiful. We're gonna try to show some videos there. So yeah, this is the mosque here.
We were here to watch the mosque and go inside the mosque, and we ended up in Yuki Food Festival 2024 in Medan. So we're gonna explore around. There's people sing here, there's a competition, and also there's a lot of food, street food. So we're gonna walk through. So check it out.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to show you guys all the food that they have here.
The traditional Indonesian food.
Traditional Indonesian food, yeah.
There's a lot of people like tasting different type of food.
Yes,
So,
alright. Let's play. So guys, they have all types of food here, sweets like vegetarian, non-vegetarian, apparently. What do you find there? Huh?
Green potatoes. Look at the potato.
Ah, alright. You want one?
Let's give it a try.
Huh? So guys, they have a bunch of food here, so we're gonna try to try some plates,
Yes.
some flavors here.
This potato.
You wanna try the
Capture
potato?
my attention.
Capture my attention. Hello.
This is potato.
Yes.
Can I have one? Can we have one? Oh, they cook potato? They are Friday. You
fried.
guys fry. Okay.
Oh, okay, thank you.
The sauce?
No sauce.
Mayonnaise?
No, just natural.
Original.
Fried, original. This is sweet.
This is a black noodle with. Yeah.
What is this?
Spicy.
Spicy. This? This is what? 20,000.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Look, if they fried it,
How do you like it now?
it's good. You can put different sauces. I decided natural, but very creative way.
And you have a lot of juices here. Hello. Wow, this is a lot of food. This is meat.
That's squid.
This crabs here. And this
Seafood. That's seafood. Seafood.
Ah, okay. Wow, this is huge. Thank you, thank you.
Terima kasih.
Luar biasa, thank you kami ucapkan ke AU karena selepas maghrib kami bakal menonton pemenangan dan nanti malam kita bakal nonton bareng timnas.
You hungry?
Yes,
Yes, this is fish,
fish. Thank you.
chicken.
Chicken with the rice.
Chicken hot, chicken hot.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Bakar apa? Your name is Tanghulu.
Tahulu.
Iya, Tanghulu.
Tahulu, you know?
Yeah, that's sweet.
Yeah, tahulu.
This is
This is
caramel.
Korea.
Oh, this is chocolate.
Iya, coklat.
Oh. He's a chocolate lover, so
10,000.
10,000.
I want one.
you wanna try?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
Alright.
Okay.
Kasih cupnya. Kasih cup. 10.000. Taruh mau yang mana?
Coklat.
Strawberry?
Chocolate.
Coklat.
Dia apa?
Iya.
Oh, that looks so delicious.
I give you one.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. And one for both. Yes.
Ada rasa sayang.
It's so delicious.
Let's walk in the other side. So guys, we have still trying some food here. They have a lot of food.
Yeah, people are so kind here, let me tell you.
Yeah, people here are super kind. They just invite you for food.
Special.
Yeah. Yeah, all kind of food, all kind of sweets.
Sweet,
Yeah.
everything. Beverage.
Sausage.
Corn dog. Corn dog.
Corn.
This is sausage with eggs, I think so, and
With
this
eggs.
is corn dog.
How much is this one?
And then 2,000.
And what is
1,000.
this?
What is this?
20,000.
But what it has? Like sausage
Like mozzarella. Full mozzarella.
with sausage.
No, this is sausage. with
Sausage.
mozzarella.
This is hot dog.
I
Like
don't know
this
what
is
it is.
corn dog.
Full
This is
mozzarella,
mozzarella. This
and
is
then
cheese.
mozzarella.
Ah, cheese.
And this is sausage with eggs.
Oh, okay. Okay. Which one is traditional here?
And then sausage mozzarella.
Okay.
Ada apa tuh namanya?
Potato.
Potato.
Ah, how much is that one?
20,000.
20,000. Ah, okay.
Enough?
Huh?
Enough. One aja.
Yeah, I think it's enough. I hope so. Okay, so I'm gonna try a corn dog. It's like a sausage with fried potato on top of it.
And mozzarella.
Mozzarella. Every time that you buy something, they fry it first in the oil and then they
Yeah.
give it to you. I'm waiting for it. Oh wow, you spend one day here, you get diabetes. Thank you. Yeah, because they have a lot of sweets here, a lot of food, a lot of meat.
And it's not expensive.
And it's not expensive, everything is affordable, so.
But this is...
Ini paling dalamnya mozzarella.
Iya, mozzarella full.
Spicy now, no spice.
What all of them?
Iya.
Ini, terima kasih Bu.
Thank you.
It's good?
Wow, it's really good.
Kami bakal
her name is
pasang
Dara.
dua
Dara.
screen untuk nonton bareng Indonesia U23 versus timnas Uzbekistan U23. Ya,
She's the
Bang mau
singer,
lagu apa
Dara.
tadi katanya?
Yeah.
Abang lagu apa tadi katanya? Pura-pura diam ya. Mau lagu apa? Morocco.
Yeah.
I play football in Morocco.
Hakimi.
Yes.
Yes.
From Morocco.
Okay.
Nice to meet you and have fun in Medan City.
So guys, this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, any suggestions, don't forget to put them below in the comments. And again, see you in the next one.